Hey, I'm really excited to do this unboxing of my Pipsticks box. I subscribe to a number of boxes through Pipsticks because I'm obsessed with snail mail and stickers, and now I have kids ages 3 and 5 who keep sneaking into my home office and taking all of my stuff. And I feel like my inner child, my inner toddler is coming out and being like, hey, you don't touch my stuff. So now I have to get them their own stickers and their own things so that they stop stealing mine. So I have this horrible cold. Apologize for all the coughing in advance. I wrote a book. It's called Mostly Unanswerable Questions. And when you get onto my book launch team, you get amazing, wonderful prizes like stuff from Pipsticks. I'll be sending you things if you jump on my book team, which means that you buy my book on the day that it goes on sale. I don't have that date yet. And if you leave me a book review within the next 2 weeks of buying it from the release date. So jump on that link where you find it, and you can always reach out to me personally, Lara at larabuelow.com. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. Woohoo! Apparently they spelled stationery wrong. I didn't even notice it. But they put this really cute card in it, making it like a find the spelling mistake. And then they have all these cute ways to like enjoy the box as you do the unveiling of all these amazing things. And I mean, could this be any cuter? I feel like this is like the best money I've ever spent because it's just a box filled with joy. Lots of colors, rainbow vomit everywhere, exactly my style. This cute little gnome with a list, a little menu of what you get in your box. Lots of paper things that are super messy, probably super entertaining for my children. Cute little rainbow cards. Oh my gosh, the most amazing little star labels with little metallic clouds. Love them. Ooh, can't wait to use those. Look at that. This is like holographic magic. Can you imagine winning that from my book team? Oh my God, rainbow stationery. If you jump on my snail mail list, I could be writing to you on this. The greatest post-it notes you'll ever find. Gnomes. Sticker confetti, more rainbows with holographic clouds. Oh my gosh. Secret Sticker Society. This is so cool. I'm like on a really big holographic kick as well. And I guess the rest of the world is. Surprise, surprise. This is so fun. Can't wait to open this box. Cute little bunny cloud pen. Dee-dee. You could win this if you join my book launch team. Mostly Answerable Questions coming out soon. And finally, the washi tape collection. Woohoo! This is definitely will be stolen by my children. And that's it. And then these like super fun illustrations. Woohoo! And this is the type of box you want to keep because you want to keep all this beautiful stuff and organize your things in it. And, you know, my kids have been making leprechaun traps. So if I don't keep it, they will. But this box is like cute enough that I might very well use it for like organizing my mail and the stuff that gets sent to me. All right, mostly unanswerable questions, really, really, really cool, fun prizes. I'm trying to rope in all of you Pipsticks fans and get all of you snail mail fans so that we can start building some community together. All right, thanks.